guys, welcome to another Cafe Racer build video starring this bike. You saw in the last video with this bike that we took all the fairing off to get it through his door in the rain, and yeah, we've managed to get it in his workshop. This is going to be a great place for him to actually work on this bike and start everything that he needs to do on this bike. You saw that he bought the seat hump and the rear tail, basically the tail kit. That's going to look really smart. So in today's video, we are going to be installing that to this bike. Hopefully it's going to be a bolt-on job. That's the whole idea of that kit. But it should be a massive difference to how it should look, and kind of you get the idea of how it's going to look. So let's talk in and let's just get on taking this bike apart. I'm really dark. Right, I'm here. Okay, that's better. The back end is off. That was a lot easier than I expected, and I think than you expected too.
3 bolts.
God, that was swift. But you can see, like, that is really modular, that system, and hopefully what you've bought is gonna fit straight on.
Hopefully it's a bolt on. Yeah.
Hopefully bolt on. So yeah, it's looking pretty rad. It's considering you've only had the bike up here like 20 minutes.
Yeah. Well. This isn't in testing.
That's clever.
Yeah, BMW put this lock in there. Thanks. But no thanks.
Added weight. I'm impressed.
Well, that's coming out. But so all this will be nice and open at least.
Yeah.
The airbox is going to be on show. I'm not sure what to do with that yet. You can get a cover for it. Comes all the way across here and smooths all this out. But yeah, expensive.
It's a nice looking bike in general though, man.
That's good, meaty.
Right, let's just get straight in and get that new tailpiece fitted, because I'm really eager to see how it's going to look. It's going to look smart. Let's get this hump on. So there we have it, guys. How easy was that kit? I wish it was as easy on my bike, but no, we're gonna do it the hard way. We're gonna have to do some proper welding. But I like it. It looks good. It's the start of a Cafe Racer. Tom's got some more ideas, and he's got a GSXR front coming on. Yeah. As I say, these are just fun little videos to add up to the channel. So let me know what you think. Do I carry on coming over and doing some videoing with him, or yeah, or do you want him to set up his own channel? Let me know down in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here and maybe do some more filming in the future. But as always, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.